Just two powerful ingredients and your hair will grow extremely fast. To prepare this recipe, you need cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. Rice has nutrients that range from vitamin B and vitamin C. Rice has amino acids that helps hair growth. Onion provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus onion prevents hair loss and promoting hair growth. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants and can thus help promote faster hair growth. It can also nourishing and strengthening your hair. In a bowl, put 1½ tablespoons of rice flour or rice seed. Please like this video and also subscribe. Add 1½ tablespoon of cloves powder or seed. Mix very well. Add ½ cup of water. Mix very well. Leave it for 1 hour. So the next thing we need is onion. Remove the back of the onion. Grate the onion. Sieve out the onion juice. Got onion juice. After 1 hour, save the rice and cloves. tablespoon of olive oil and mix. Make sure that you mix it very well. Transfer to spray container. Apply this on your scalp 3 times a week. You will get a result. Your hair will grow long and thick. You will have that long and full hair you desire. Please like this video and also subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. You can store this mixture in a fridge for 2 weeks. See you in my next video.